Okay, now go for preparing of salary. We have already created this one, so go for payroll voucher, payroll, control F4. Okay, it is for 31st August. Okay, Alt A, from here Alt A, select Alt A salary. Okay, 1st August to 31st August, primary cost centers, all items, select salary payable. Okay, now you will get the salary of Ajay. We have already created, that's why. Okay, otherwise if you want for a contract, you can take only from here Alt A. Okay, salary payable 1st August to 31st August, primary. Here we can take for only contract employee also, salary payable. Now the contract employees option only displayed. Okay, so here you can find okay, here you can find basic wages is to 1009 change, and Vinny's is 2000 change. Okay, because why basic wages is differ here, because it depend upon the present and absent. Okay, and overtime, this much of overtime. Okay, 750, this is because of present and absent. Actually it's 2500, now it's giving 2300. Actually it's 2000, but it's showing 1009 because of the absent values. Okay, so his total salary for the month is this one, 2673 and 3158. Okay, this should be payable to James and Winnie. Accept. Okay, this is the salary. Okay, this is the basic for them, this is the basic. What we have to do, this convenience expenses we have to add, local expense we have to add. Okay, what we have to enter, we have to enter the local experience 1250, this one, and 1225. Okay, these expenses we have to add local experience by default. This one by default we have to add. Okay, now go for end of the list. Accept the screen, accept it. Okay, if you want to pay, go for payment, normal payment voucher. Here you can find salary payable option. Now it will show total 8,306. Okay, if you want detail, Alt F1, this one, but you won't get from here, it's a different one. So salary payable, it's 8,306. Okay, here is a different one, means what are the wages for that, for them, and his name. If we know the details, we can put. Okay, the total salary. So I'm going just put, I'm putting, I didn't remember that one, but I'm just putting this amounts according to means, for example 2658. So I'm adding 26 to 36, listen 38 to 3900. I'm giving to James, and we need the remaining amount I'm giving to him. Okay, just I'm giving this much of amount because I didn't remember the amount. So accept the screen, accept and accept. Now the salary amount shows a 0. See here, salary payable amount shows the 0 because we have paid the salary of them, James and Winnie. This is the amount, just I put just for, I didn't remember, just for, but total amount is this one. Okay, this is for August. Okay, the day also given, payment voucher number also given. Okay, check number. If you are paying any check number and narration, it will also give to you. Okay, post dated or optional, anything. Okay, this how payroll will be done for this. How this is the payroll done for entire unit and then for contract employees. Okay, this is the way where we can create payroll for contract employees in Tally ERP 9.